How to recover a Telegram account without email or phone number. Lost access to your Telegram account and you don't have your email or phone number access. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to recover your account even without this information, so let's get started. Try using your username. So if you created a username in Telegram, you might still be able to log in without needing your phone number. On the Telegram login screen, try entering your username and see if you can access your account. If you don't have access to your phone number or email, you can reach out to Telegram's support team. So open Telegram on any device, then search for the Telegram support channel or go to settings, then ask a question. Provide as much detail as possible about your account and the situation you're in, including your username, last known phone number, and any other relevant information that you can come up with. If you've previously logged in on a Telegram web, you may be able to access your account from a web browser, so simply visit web.telegram.org and log in using your previous credentials. Now check your devices, so you may still be able to access your account. So open Telegram on those devices and go to settings, devices to check your active sessions. Now, request a new number. So if you've lost access to the phone number associated with your account, you can try requesting a new number from your service provider and then use it to recover your Telegram channel or account, and this may work if you've previously registered your account with a number you no longer have access to. And that's how you can recover your Telegram account without an email or phone number. If the steps above don't work, be sure to reach out to Telegram support for further assistance. And thanks for watching.